Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and in this video we will be discussing how we can send WhatsApp message via the Amazfit Gts to mini smartwatch. So WhatsApp message is a very important thing, and if we can send the WhatsApp message via the watch only with the help of our phone, then that will be a really great addition to the features which are there for the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, Amazfit GTS 2 mini has been there for a while, and this trick which I am going to discuss will be working with the Amazfit GTS 2 mini new version and the new released Amazfit watches, and this is very easy to perform. You can send the WhatsApp message via this watch without lifting your phone. So first of all, the Amazfit GTS 2 mini comes with Alexa, we all know, and the Alexa offers a variety of features in there. So first let's see whether we can send WhatsApp message via the Alexa which is already there with this watch. So to obviously activate the Alexa in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini, you have to pair it with the Zap app first, and the Zap app is the official app for this watch. So once you have paired this Amazfit GTS 2 mini, you have to come to the profile section and you will be getting this Amazon Alexa. You just need to log in with the Amazon account credential to activate the Alexa in this watch. And once you have activated the Alexa, let's see whether we are able to send message with the Amazon Alexa or not. So I will be activating the Alexa and saying send a WhatsApp message. So you can see the messaging with Alexa is not supported on this device right now, and the Alexa is there to give us some important information, to do some calculations, but WhatsApp message sending is not yet supported with the Amazon Alexa. So for this we need to do something different, and we need to download the Notify app, which is the third-party app for the Amazfit watches. So once you have downloaded the Notify app, you have to come to the Notify app and pair the Amazfit GTS 2 mini first. And once you have paired it, you will be seeing that the Amazfit GTS 2 mini will be on the list. Make sure you have connected your Amazfit GTS 2 mini with the Zap app and also the Notify app. And once you have done that, you need to come to the last icon for this, and in the button option you have to come to Notify button. So once you have come to the Notify button, you have to configure some of the settings in there. So in the play pause action option, you have to come and you have to select the Google Assistant option. So the Google Assistant option is recently added in the Notify app, and you can now trigger the Google Assistant with the help of Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So you will be getting the option in the Notify app with the name of Start Voice Assistance, and once you have got that, you need to select that and click on OK. And once you have done that, you are ready to launch the Google Assistant with the help of Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So to launch that, you have to come to the music player which is there in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. Click on the play pause button, and you will be seeing one vibration will happen and the Google Assistant will be activated. So this is the first step you need to do to activate the Google Assistant with the help of Amazfit GTS 2 mini. And once done, you can now send the WhatsApp messages to any other number of your choice. So I will be showing you guys how to send a WhatsApp message. So first of all, I will be triggering the virtual assistant, which is the Google Assistant, in my phone, and after that I will be sending a WhatsApp message to my own number to show you guys how you can send WhatsApp message to any number of your choice. So let's trigger the virtual assistant first from the music player of Amazfit GTS 2 mini. Send a WhatsApp message to Deva.
Got it. What's the message?
Hi, how are you?
Sending your message saying hi. How are you?
So here you can see already the message has been sent, and I will be showing that I have got the message on my number. So here you can see I have got the message on my number which I have sent right now, and I have sent this via the help of Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So if I am only wearing the Amazfit GTS 2 mini, and if I am not using my phone or not in a mood to type on my phone or lift my phone, I can send directly the message to any of the numbers from this watch by activating the Google Assistant. So I can keep my phone right in here and activate the Google Assistant anytime and send a message to any of the number of my choice by clicking on the music player, and the message will be delivered to the particular number if I want to send a WhatsApp message via this watch and with the help of the phone. So this is the thing I wanted to show you guys, that you can now send a WhatsApp message without lifting your phone and directly telling the Google Assistant which message you want to send with the help of Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. And this can be really useful if you are not in a position to lift up the phone, and if you are only wearing the watch and keeping the phone elsewhere and you want to send a message to a particular number or a particular friend. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you that you can now send WhatsApp messages via the help of Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and your phone. Although the Amazon Alexa is not able to send the WhatsApp messages, Amazfit is working to extend their support on the Amazon Alexa, and definitely with the later updates it will be able to send messages and play music via this watch. But right now it is not possible, and the only way is the way I have shown in this video right now, right here. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.